Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to record and manage bank transaction in QuickBooks Online, commonly known as QBO. If you are a business owner, bookkeeper, or accountant, correctly recording bank transaction is one of the most important part of maintaining accurate books. In this video, I will explain the complete process step by step from reviewing transaction downloaded from the bank to categorizing, matching, adding and reconciling them. So let's get started. First of all, connect your bank account. So we will see here. First of all, we can go here, click on accounting and bank transaction. So we will see this screen. So it will appear here. From here we can just switch the version of previous. From here we can click and it can collapse. So here we will see all the bank, how many banks we have added. Like here we have added checking, here is it is saving, and another is a mastercard, this is a credit card. Okay, so we have three accounts here: checking, saving, and mastercard. In checking account we have 25 transaction, and in saving account we have one transaction, and in mastercard we have seven transaction. So I want first record banking transaction from here. So here is a many columns like date, description, pay, categorize, or match, spent, received, attachment, action. So here first transaction we will review. What is this? This is a received section amount. So it will be a deposit transaction. But if I don't know what is this, so we can leave now for, and we can record whenever we get info about this. So another is a 200 rental. It is showing A1 rental backhoe deposit refund. So it was earlier paid $200, and here it is a refund. So we can first search out this one. So here we can search out. So unable to find his previous transaction. For now, we also can leave this one. Otherwise, if we are sure this is a refund from rental back, so we can just record, just select this one. Paying them should be, click here, rental. So we can add new one because this is not exist earlier. So here it is appearing customer because there is in deposit. We will change this as a vendor. So click on save. It will create as a vendor name, and here we will record the same transaction category like rental, equipment rental, air rent, lease, and click on add. This transaction will go add. So we can check this transaction from here. So this was I added here. Just click on this. Here it will appear here. 200 rental lease. If we want to change this, so we can change from here. Just type whatever you want to put here. Category, expense category. You can change. Also, you can change the pay name, whatever you want to change, and save and new or save and close. So it has been recorded now. Another is a 1200. It also from the same, but this is a expense spend amount. So we also have recorded in the same pay name, rental backhoe, and category will be same, rental and lease. Previous one I was changed, so let's correct this deposit entry. It was moved Alice equipment rental, so I have to change A1 rental backhoe 7 crores. Another here is showing 800 paid rental, A1 rental. It will goes to same pay and same account. Just click on this here. Okay, so all this recorded, and another it is showing 75,000 $75 as a paid to Palm Cities, and already these expenses recorded. So it if bank detail is matching with the pay there, so we can match this. And here another is a deposit 6, and it is also appearing match. If it is not match, we can click here category and put the pay name, select pay name, whatever it is a correct pay name, and account. Deposit comes from income or comes from capital introduce introduce, so we will record accordingly. So this already showing match, so we have to match. Click here match, and another is showing match, so we have to click here match. So one by one we can click, and now I want to show how we can just do reconcile bank. So go in the all apps, otherwise bookmarks. Here we do not have any bookmarks, so go all apps, click on accounting, click reconcile. So get started. This is a practice QuickBook online, so was not earlier record reconcile. So here we can put the ending balance, like if ending balance is $4,560, and ending date it is a 7/31/2026. So start, click on start reconciling, and another window will appear. So here it will appear all the deposit section. So here we can select one by one transaction what is here appear in the bank statement and get till difference zero. By clicking on this here, we can select all the transactions if we are sure these all transactions are clear in the bank. But differences here is showing to 517. So key there balance it is we can edit here. Let's put the key there balance 2042.32. Click on this and our difference gone zero. When differences goes zero, then it will appear finish now option. We can click here and finish now. So it will show you are reconciled this account done and it will go another section looking the reconciliation report. By here we can go account history, check this one, this account I just reconciled. Here you will click on see the report who reconciled Craig Carlson. This one can download from here, save into the. So this is process how we can reconcile, record and reconcile bank. So every transaction should be matched and record from QuickBook from bank feed and also need to take care if there are any duplicate transaction we can delete them. So same process here we can just record credit card transaction when we go in bank transaction and we will see credit card, Mastercard, it is a credit card and we will see all the expenses here. We can record here if this one match this one. So by this process we can record all the expenses. I hope you got a clear understanding. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.